Nobody knows but me. I sometimes cry. If I could pretend that I'm asleep when my tears start to fall, I peek out from behind these walls. I think nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody likes. Nobody likes to lose their inner voice. The one I used to hear before my life made a choice. But I think nobody knows. No, no, nobody knows. Baby, all the secrets safe with me. There's nowhere else in the world that I could ever be. And baby, don't it feel like I'm all alone? Who's gonna be there after the last angel is flown? And I've lost my way back home. I think nobody knows. No, no, nobody knows. Nobody cares. It's win or lose, not how you play the game. And the road to darkness has a way of always knowing my name. But I think nobody knows. No, no, nobody knows.